Welcome to InfyGyan friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting rational equation for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing denominators cannot be 0. X minus 2 cannot be 0, so x cannot be 2. X minus 3 cannot be 0, so x cannot be 3. Now we are going to multiply our equation by 1 over 4 both sides. Or we are dividing by 4 both sides. 4 can be written as 1 over 2 square. This is 1 over 4. 4 is 2 square. We'll multiply first term of LHS 2x minus 5 over x minus 2 whole square. Then we'll write 1 over 2 square 2x minus 5 over x minus 3 whole square equal to 8 over 4 will be equal to 2. Now we will multiply 2 with x minus 2 with exponent 2. So it is 2 times x minus 2, which will be 2x minus 4 in the denominator. We will write 2x minus 5 over 2x minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 5 over this 2 will get multiplied with x minus 3. So we will get 2x minus 6. And then we have whole square. RHS is 2. Now we'll be using substitution. Let's say 2x minus 5 equal to a. So we can write 2x minus 4 will be a plus 1. And 2x minus 6 would be a minus 1. Now we will write our equation in variable a. It would be a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we will be using one algebraic identity which says m square plus n square can be written as m plus n whole square minus 2mn. Let me write our equation a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Let's assume a over a plus 1 is m and a over a minus 1, this is n. So we have to first find m plus n whole square. So let me write here a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1 whole square minus 2 times mn. So a over a plus 1 times a over a minus 1 equal to 2. Now we have to simplify this bracket first. A square minus a plus a square plus a. So we will get 2a square in the numerator, and in denominator we have a plus 1 times a minus 1. Using difference of squares identity, we will get a square minus 1 whole square minus 2a square over a plus 1 times a minus 1. Again we will write a square minus 1. And if I will take this 2 to the LHS, I can write minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in 2a square over a square minus 1. So let us assume 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to u. Now we can write our equation in variable u. U square minus u minus 2 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. We can factorize easily and write u plus 1 times u minus 2 equal to 0 times u minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be getting u equal to negative 1 and 2. U was substitution. I will write here 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 1 and 2. So we have to solve two equations. Let me write here 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 1. And second equation would be 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 2. Let's solve second equation first. We'll cross multiply and write 2a square equal to 2 times a square minus 1 or 2a square minus 2. Now we will subtract 2a square from both the sides. So we will write 0 is equal to minus 2, which is not correct as per real numbers. So this equation will provide us complex solutions or no solutions. So I will write no solutions. Now we have to solve first equation. 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 1. Let's cross multiply. We'll get 2a square is equal to 1 minus a square. Add a square to both sides. 3a square is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 3. A square is equal to 1 over 3. We'll take a square root both sides and get a equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. So we have two real values of a. Plus minus 1 over square root 3. Let me write here a is equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now a was our substitution 2x minus 5. So I will write here 2x minus 5 equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now I will be rationalizing 1 over square root 3. So I will multiply here with root 3. So in the numerator square root 3. Square root 3 times square root 3 will become 3. So we can write 2x minus 5 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now we will add 5 to both sides. So plus 5 and minus 5 will get cancelled out from LHS. We will write 2x will be equal to 5 plus minus square root 3 over 3. We'll take LCM in right hand side. So we will get 15 plus minus square root 3 over 3. This is equal to 2x. So we have to divide by 2 to get our real solutions, both sides. So I will write 15 plus minus square root 3 over 3. This is equal to 2x. Now we will divide LHS by 2, divide RHS by 2. 2 over 2 will be 1. 1 times x is x. In RHS, 15 plus minus square root 3 over 6. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.